Hey, so Dr. Nathan's here with Fallon. She's one of our patients, and she comes in regularly because one of the things she loves to do is she loves to run. And she set a goal for herself to do the New York Marathon, right?
Yeah, next month.
So it's in 1 month. She's been training for how long?
Oh gosh, I mean, in February I did a half, took some time off, and I've been training since summer, I would say,
Right,
following a plan.
So for about 4 months, 3 to 4 months, she has been training for this marathon. It's going to be 26.2 miles. Yesterday you did 18 miles.
Sunday 18, today
8 miles. And so why are you here?
I'm here because when I get adjusted, when I run, my body, everything just feels so much lighter. I can move better, and I just can tell that I'm due for an adjustment, and it helps me so much. Just my body feels better.
A lot of people would say, well, if you're going to run and it just goes back out of alignment, why would you get adjusted? Because it's just going to go back out of alignment. But that's the whole point. The point is that everything we do in life, everything we do during the day, whether you sit at a computer, whether you're a nurse, whether you're a fireman, it doesn't matter. You're always moving your body, and your body goes out of alignment from normal daily activity.